Welcome beautiful people, I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. For today's video, we're about to style and customize this unit from Wowafrican.com. And let me just say, I'm about to take back that customization part because girl, look at this lace. It is already done. It is already pre-plucked, bleached, everything is already done for you. Look at that straight out of the package. Now I got this unit in 20 inches. This is their Yaki straight hair, and this is their new clear or clean lace rather, and it's a HD lace that melts effortlessly. Now you already know we gotta slick back them edges, so I'm gonna use this aqua hair wax to slick back my edges. If you have booster, edge booster, or any of those other edge control is fine. Like this part doesn't even matter as long as you stick back your hair to keep it out of the way. Now I do a lot of lazy girl method. I don't do the ball cap method, so I just spray something light like maybe 𝐔𝐬𝐿 or 𝐒𝐵𝐼N spray on my hair lining. So this is harmless on your edges because all you need is water to remove the wig. So one thing I like to remind the girlies, like the girls, remember to cut that lace in the back. I know a lot of y'all be in the streets with that lace hanging on the back. Please remember to remove it. So I'm going to show you guys my method of putting on my wig to get that snug fitted look to fit properly, especially if the wig is a little bit too small for your head. Like if you do this method, like it aligns with your natural hair lining so much better when you do this. So I'm just pulling on the sides to see what we're working with. And as I said, girl, like look how the lace is looking effortless, super effortless, and we just started. So now you know I got a little bit of helmet head, like I got a little hump in the back of my head, you know, like that's natural even when I do my little ponytails and stuff. So I'm trying to use this hot comb to get that ish as flat as I can get it. Now I'm about to prep to install and melt the lace. So this is what I do. So I cut 2 slits on the side, and this is gonna help me to get that flawless install and also to make it easier and faster, and also make it more clean when I'm installing as opposed to looking messy. Now I like to spray my spray under my lace, not on top of it directly, because it's gonna get it all gunky and you're gonna ruin the lace, or the lace has less wear when you do all of that, and also it looks less natural on the hair lining when you spray it directly on there. So I spray it under the lace, then bring the lace forward, and then use my little blow dryer to melt that baby. So I only use the blow dryer on there for a couple of seconds, and also I'm not using it on hot, like I use warm air because I need it to be blown directly on it. So then now I'm gonna cut off the lace around my ear to just make sure that it's laying flat and laying properly. Like I need that behind my hair. Why do I keep saying here? Oh my god, like is that a Jamaican thing? I keep putting on H in front of everything. Oh my gosh. So now I'm just cutting off the excess lace off, and don't worry if it's lifted a little bit, we're gonna tackle that part in a bit. Now with a lot of wigs, they come with a widow's peak. I don't have a widow's peak, and I don't want the wig to change my natural features. I prefer it to look, you know, as best as how my natural hair lining would look. So I'm going to cut off that widow's peak. So I'm just being careful that you saw that I part the hair first, and then if it's looking a little bit too dense in the front, I do a light plucking. Like I don't have to do much. So this is how the hair is looking. Now I'm going to go back in with some wax stick, and this is going to help with the flyaways. Then I go back in with the hot comb, and girl, like I always tell y'all, get you a hot comb. Okay, I'm tired of seeing y'all in these streets with your parts looking all humpy and ish. Like the hot comb will save your life. Like you can get this for like $20 on Amazon or even less. Like I bought a hot comb for like $5 in a beauty supply store once. It wasn't the best, but you know, it was doing something. So we're gonna do some swoop-de-doop action in the front, like that's what I like. But before we do that, I'm gonna melt the lifted parts a bit. So what I do is I spray the 𝐒𝐵𝐼N directly on my fingertips as opposed to directly on the lace, because it's gonna make it lift a little bit because it is liquid, right? And it's like not realizing that it's supposed to be sticky at that point because it's so wet, and also it's going to not make your lace look caked up by spraying it directly. So I put it on my fingertips, and then I'm gonna do the tension method by putting on this elastic band to melt while I flat iron the hair. So now I'm realizing that my part is a little bit lean. I don't know why my parts are always lean. I don't know if it's my eyes or something. I don't know, girl. But I'm trying to get my part to look as straight as possible. Then I'm going to go in with a hot comb again, just to make sure that the part lays where I need it to lay. So now I'm gently removing the elastic band. Girl, that lace is melted. Girl, do you see how melted she is? Okay, so then we're just cutting off the sides to create some super loop, and I'm gonna go in with this little flat iron that I have. I got this on my beauty supply store as well, and then I spray a little bit of the EBIN directly on my little edge brush, and then I do them swoops, you know what I'm saying? So now with this hair, I'm like, girl, we always do straight hair, we do the layered look, yada yada yada, boring. We're gonna try something different. Okay, it's summertime, we want to get a hot girl type of look, you know, so we're going for something a little bit different. So I'm gonna put some little braids. I don't even know what I was doing at this point, but I'm just going with the flow. I'm going with whatever felt right. So I created two little pigtail not bows, child, two little pigtail braids on the sides, and then I'm gonna put an elastic band to just tie them in the back, and then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb to make sure these two little bangs that I have at the front lay flat, and then I'm gonna do a little swirl action in the front with my flat iron because I felt like it being straight around my face was just too lame. So this is how the hair is looking like. Girl, she's giving real Rapunzel like without the length. Like I got this in 20 inches, not long like Rapunzel, but yeah, I get the gist. Like it's looking real regal. Is that the word? Yeah, she's looking rich. Okay, girl, she's giving life. Like look at that, look how neat and tight that is. Like I was shocked. I was like, girl, did I do that? Like what? It's real simple, beginner friendly. Like it's not that complicated. Just give it a little bit of flair. And I also did these two little cornrows in the front, and I'm like, girl, yeah, we're gonna switch it up, we're gonna try different things, you feel me? So I did the little two cornrows and I left them to hang like that, and then we're gonna try something else. So we're gonna try it on the side as well. Like we're trying different styles with this, y'all. Like this is the end of the video, just me showing y'all different looks that you can do with this hair. Like boring, weird. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and TikTok at @Chev. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.